Hello and welcome back to English Podcast Home, the place where you learn real English for real life. My name is Adam.
And I'm Sarah. We are very happy to have you with us today.
Adam, if you are listening to this podcast, it means you want to improve your English.
Maybe you understand English. Maybe you can read English. But when it's time to speak, you feel nervous.
Don't worry, you are not alone.
In today's long episode, we will help you speak English more confidently, step by step.
Sarah, why do you think people are afraid of speaking English?
Because they are afraid of making mistakes.
Yes, many learners think, what if my grammar is wrong? What if my pronunciation is bad?
But Adam, mistakes are a normal part of learning.
Exactly. Children learn by making mistakes. That is how language works.
If you wait to be perfect, you will never start speaking.
Let's talk about mindset.
Your mindset means how you think about learning English.
Instead of saying, I am bad at English, say, I am learning English.
That small change makes a big difference.
Learning English is a process, not a test.
Let's start with English you can use in the morning.
Good morning. I hope you have a great day. What time did you wake up today? I need to get ready for work.
Repeat slowly.
Good morning. You can say these sentences to yourself every morning.
At home, you can practice English easily. I am cleaning the house. I am cooking lunch. The food smells good. I am watching TV right now. I need to relax.
Even simple actions can become English practice.
Talk about what you are doing right now.
Now, let's talk about work or study English.
I have a lot of work today. I am trying my best. I need more time to finish this. Can you help me, please? Let's discuss this tomorrow.
These sentences are polite and professional. Hi, Sarah. You look tired today.
Yes, I didn't sleep well last night.
That's not good. Did you work late?
Yes, I was studying English.
That's great. Practice is important.
I know, but sometimes it feels difficult.
That's normal. Learning something new is never easy.
You're right. I won't give up.
Let's learn some important words deeply. Confidence, feeling sure about yourself. Effort, trying hard. Progress, moving forward. Habit, something you do regularly. Motivation, the reason you keep going.
Sentence. Small daily habits bring big progress.
Technique.
One of the best methods is self-talk.
Stand in front of a mirror and say, I am improving every day. My English is getting better. I am proud of myself.
This builds confidence and fluency.
I am learning English step by step. I am not afraid of mistakes. I speak English every day. I believe in myself.
Repeat again, slowly and clearly.
Every fluent English speaker started from zero.
They felt afraid. They made mistakes, but they continued.
Success comes to those who don't stop.
Here is today's challenge.
Speak English for 10 minutes today, no matter what.
Talk to yourself. Talk to a friend. Talk to your phone.
Thank you for listening to English Podcast Home.
We hope this long episode helped you.
If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share.
Remember, practice daily. Stay confident. Never give up.
See you in the next episode.